Oh. Oh, yeah, I don't know. Oh. I think y'all lied to me. Y'all told me I can wear blonde. Y'all lied to me. Cause don't say I'm somebody. If y'all set me up, I'm just gonna be so upset with y'all. Did y'all set me up? Did y'all set me up? Because now y'all got me in all the blonde aisles. I'ma try this wig, but if y'all set me up, that ain't right, man. Y'all got me thinking I can do different shades of blonde. Well, y'all didn't say different shades. Y'all said the one shade that I did with the crochet braids was pretty, but y'all didn't say nothing about ash blonde. It looked terrible on me. I can't even get upset. I can't even get upset out here. Cause didn't nobody tell me to get this ash blonde.
I told myself.
I sat up there and told myself. Okay, y'all, so this is what I decided to do. Let me see if this blonde is really blonding. We're gonna test this theory out because those blonde crochet braids really did the darn thing. And I was like, don't trick me. You see, I'm not to be tricked. And I'm scared a little bit to try this color because it's a ash blonde. But it's bare lace. Give me a little ASMR. Look at this, bare lace. So you guys know the deal with bare lace. If you've been rocking with me for a while, I absolutely love the bare lace line. It's by Sensational. The real reason why I got this is because I needed a really good wig to try this color, basically. I have not tried Unit 8. This is a first for me. This is Unit 8 right here, guys. And you can see they have lots of colors. You can wear these glueless because the lace is so good. It's good like that. It really is. But let me just open this up and see. And then I'm going to put it on and okay, look. It's pre-plucked in a mug. You already know what time it is when it comes to that. They going to get down with the get down. Ooh, y'all. Did y'all tell me a story? Did y'all hype me up thinking I could wear different shades of blonde when I should have just stuck with the one shade that I had that one time? Now look at this. This lace is spectacular. I'll take 14 of these. Girl, this is what the inside looks like. You have a lot of lace space, which is lovely. Elastic right here. Bam. You have your silicone strips that's going to hold on to the back of that neck. It's going to hold on to the back of that neck. And then you got the combs and stuff. Y'all, I don't know. I'm just sitting up here like this right now. What you think? How y'all think it's about to work? Now, you and I know that all things work for the good of those that love the Lord. And one thing about me, let me tell you something. Somebody told me something on my Instagram the other day, made my whole day. Honey, we know you like, what was it? Braids or crochet braid or something. And we know you love Jesus. I said, if it's one thing I want y'all to know above all these hairstyles, Mary love her some Jesus. Huh? Look at the texture though. Look at that texture, y'all. Look at that texture. Look at that. Ooh, and it's so pretty. It's beautiful. The wig is beautiful. This was smack in a one beat. I already know that. It's this ash blonde. We gonna see, y'all. Girl, you better look like something on my head. That's all I got to say. We finna see.
I trust me. I'ma go get these millions. I'm still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like woo. My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season, like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait tight on our leg for it. Count down for me. 5, 4, 3, 2. I want, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. Order in the court. Me first, you sure. On my time, been off yours, boss. To the floor. Ooh, it's my time. Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak, yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat, yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got